Is that what happened? Oh, hi dancers, I'm Miss Shirel. Spider was just telling me about what happened to him on the spout. Do you know the story? We'll tell you all about it. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up that spout again. Let's dance together now. Spider, I'm glad that you didn't give up and you kept trying to go up and down that spout. But what were you going up the spout for? Oh, do you guys want to see what's on top of the spout? Let's go. Can you believe this? Spider was trying to get up that spout because he was playing hide and go seek. Hi, Spider friend. Can we play? Oh, would you like to play? Okay, how about we don't play on the roof? Let's get down onto the floor. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay. Oh, let's hide in ballet poses. Spider's counting. Let's go by this tree and stand in passe. Spider found us. Oh, you're counting this time? Okay, let's go over there and stand in arabesque. Our turn, let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are those spiders? Oh. No. Ah! Gotcha. Now let's find our friend. Gotcha! How fun. Well, I'm so glad that Spider kept trying because if he didn't, we wouldn't even have been able to play hide and seek because we would have never found his friend. What if he just gave up? I'm glad he didn't. And I hope that sometimes when things feel really frustrating for you too, that you don't give up and you keep trying. And remember, you can create whatever you imagine. I'll see you next time, friends. The Itsy Bitsy